Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this channel, you will find videos on automobiles and auto replacement parts. I will try to give you good video gifts on this channel. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get regular new videos and product links. Watch now. Latest scooter motorcycle wheel tire rear wheel solid tire. Item number 1. 8.5-inch scooter tire solid tire wheel tire 81/2x2 Forzami Migia wheel tire electric scooter skateboard. Features: size, 81/2x2 solid tire material, polyurethane rubber tire weight, 0.52 kilograms load weight, 200 kilograms use, road bicycles use, mountain bikes use, cruisers use, MX model number, ST8.5 Item number 2. 8-inch honeycomb tire solid tire 200/50 electric scooter rear wheel electric bicycle motor rear wheel solid tire special. No inflation, no break, no puncture, good elasticity, more wear resistance, longer life material, polyurethane rubber type, 8-inch/200x50 outer diameter, 19 cm inside diameter, 12 cm width, 5 cm weight. Item number 3. Electric scooter tire 10x2.25 10x2.50 wheel tires scooter motorcycle wheel rim tubeless electric bicycle wheel. There 2 tire you can choose. 10x2.25 tire width, 5.5 cm inside diameter, 15 cm outside diameter, 25 cm tire weight, 0.545 kilograms 10x2.50 tire width. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to buy these products, then see the description. Click the product links and order now. Like, share, and comment on the video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel.